this video, I'm going to tell you about Replit. Replit is an online platform that helps you create your codes without any setup immediately. So here we have replit.com, and the link of the website is going to appear right now on your screen. You can click on sign up, and you can sign up using your Google, GitHub, Facebook, or Apple. But I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login. You guys can see my username. I'm going to click on log in, and now once I'm logged in, I'm going to come here and create a REPL. I can choose a template here, and I can also choose a C++, Node, Python with Turtle, C, Java, C#, Bash, Ruby, Go, whatever the language that I want. We have also for R. So I'm going to use Python. And I can just come here and create hello. I'm going to create a REPL, and I'm going to make it public so everyone can see whenever I share a link. Create REPL, and it's going to create a REPL for me. And here, all I have to do is wait for the REPL to boot. I'm going to just zoom out, and here I can just come here and start writing. Let's say print hello. I'm going to run it. Now it's showing me that I have something wrong here, and we all know that it's this, the quotation. So like this, and I'm going to click run, and you can see the output in the console here. This is the shell, and this is the console. So I'm going to here x equal 15, y equal 20, print x plus y. So I'm going to click run. It's going to print the hello. It's going to add these two numbers for me. And here I can see some packages available here. I can here choose one of the tools, like the documents and the chat. I can also invite some people here. Click on invite, and just like I have my username here, Fahad Emrida, I can go and ask my friend about his username. I can write his username here, or I can just invite him by email. And if I don't have any of those, I can just generate a join link here and just copy this link and I share it. So this will be helpful for me if I'm creating a project and I want to share it with you, so I can just do it in Replit instead of making a whole Jupyter notebook. But why I'm showing you Replit? Because Replit, it immediately let's help you to create py files, Python files, so you can write your code immediately and see it here in the browser without any setup, without anything. All you have to do is go to Replit, log in, and start coding. So for some videos I'll be using Replit just to change a little bit, but most of the time you'll be using Jupyter Notebook. So why I'm showing you this? Because I wanted to show you other famous IDEs, so you don't stick to one. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next video.